Hurricane Irene has struck Connecticut. Well, you know what? I'm one of the very few crazy people who actually want to drive in it. So I'm going to take you throughout my journey back home. Okay? Right now, it ain't looking too bad, you know, rain-wise. Never mind. You see, I've never seen streets this empty before in my life. See all the crap around the roads. This is what I'm gonna hate. No light ditch working at all. Gas stations ain't even open. All this flood over here. Like I'm trying to see like the light part of it right now, really. State cop up there. A couple people still on the highway. Oh yeah, these lights still work, surprisingly. It's always good. See, there's a huge amount of water right there. Never like that. There's just a state cop hiding over there. All the mess on the roads. My road, I believe, is the worst among messy. The road already blocked off. I'll be pissed if they block off my road. I will be pissed. Always good to have in the storm. Huge ass Chevy truck. Oh, huge ass trucks in general. Look at all this. Go. Be back soon.